Sharma, Deputy Librarian at Guru Gobind Singh Nagar University, Dwarka. So we are talking about how libraries strengthen research community engagement through their library services. As we all know, libraries have always been the heart of academic institutions, providing not only access to a vast resources but also fostering a sense of community among researchers. And libraries are working as more custodians of knowledge today. We are now facilitators, collaborators, and the enablers of research and innovation. So let's see how libraries serves as a community engagement. First of all, libraries are working as a collaborative hubs today. Libraries are perfectly positioned to act as a collaborative hubs where researchers from diverse disciplines can converge, exchange their ideas, and develop innovative solutions. Libraries can host workshops, symposiums, discussion forums, and that can encourage cross-disciplinary dialogues, which often lead to unbreaking research. They enhance the access of research resources. These goes beyond the traditional journal subscriptions. It includes open access initiatives, institutional repositories, and data management services. By ensuring that researchers have these resources they need at their fingertips, we empower them to focus on their work without any barriers of access. Libraries are supporting research development. How? Libraries play a crucial role in the professional development of researchers. Through their training programs on the digital tools, research methodologies, and data management also. We help researchers to build essential skills for their academic careers. Furthermore, our support in areas like grant writing, publishing, and intellectual property rights is invaluable in guiding researchers through the complexities of the research life cycle. Libraries fostering a culture of open sciences. How? The libraries are engaged with the research community and also means advocating for open sciences practices by promoting open access, data sharing, and the collaborative research. Libraries help to create a culture of transparency and inclusivity in the research process. This not only benefits individuals, researchers, but also enhance the overall impact and visibility of the research conducted within the institutions, even the academic institutions. Now, the libraries are building stronger research communities. Libraries are instrumental in the building and sustaining strong research communities by organizing networking events, creating online platforms for the collaboration, and also offering personalized research support. Libraries can help researchers to connect with the peers, mentors, and potential collaborators. These connections are vital for the exchange of ideas and the advancement of knowledge. So, in summarized way, we can say that the librarians are the custodians, not only the custodians of knowledge, but they are playing a crucial role to build a researcher community engagement in multifaceted and dynamic way. Libraries are not just us service providers, but we are the partners in the research journey. By embracing this role, we can also significantly contribute to the success of our researchers and the advancement of the knowledge within our academic community. Thank you so much, Taylor and Francis.